Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Ford Edge. Stock number is 18C248A. Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights. Chrome grille definitely adds a sharp feel. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup camera, and a factory trailer hitch on the back here. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ford on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.